have adding rational algebraic expressions. So, we are going to apply the same concept in adding fractions. For example, we have x over x plus 4 plus 3 over x minus 3. Since they have different denominators, so we just copy the two denominators for the LCD, or the what we call least common denominator. So we have x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 3. So this is our LCD. So divide this LCD, divide x plus 4 times x minus 3 by x plus 4. Then multiply by the numerator x. So we have x plus 4 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 4, that is equal to x minus 3. So multiplied by x, so we have this one. X times x minus 3. Then copy the plus sign. And then divide this LCD by this denominator, x minus 3. The answer would be x plus 4. Then multiplied by the numerator 3. So we have 3 times the quantity of x plus 4. So distributing the term outside the parentheses to the terms inside by multiplication. So we have x times x, that is x squared. X times negative 3, that is negative 3x. Then for this one, positive 3 times x, that is positive 3x. Then 3 times 4 is positive 12. Then just copy the LCD, x plus 4 and x minus 3. Then combining the numerators with the same terms or variables, we have negative 3x plus 3x. This becomes 0. Okay, so we have x squared plus 12 in the numerator, all over the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 3. Since x squared plus 12 is already prime, so we could no longer factor this one. Okay, so this is our sum, or the final answer. Okay, another one. We have 2x squared over x plus 4 plus 8x over x plus 4. Okay, since the rational algebraic expressions are similar because they have the same denominators. So if this is the case, just copy the common denominator. So x plus 4, this is the LCD, least common denominator. So LCD divided by this one. So x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 multiplied by 2x squared. So we have, again, x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is 1. Divided times 2x squared, that is 2x squared. Then x plus 4 divided by x plus 4, that is equal to 1. Then multiplied by 8x, so that is 8x. Okay, so we have in the numerator 2x squared plus 8x all over the denominator x plus 4. Then we are going to factor this because there is still a common factor in 2x squared plus 8x. So we have 2x times the quantity of x plus 4. Now where is this coming from? We have 2x squared divided by 2x, that is x. Then 8x divided by 2x, that is positive 4. Now we can see common factor in the numerator and denominator. We have x plus 4 here. Divide x plus 4, this becomes 1. X plus 4 divide x plus 4 becomes 1. So we have 2x as our final answer because 2x times 1 is 2x over 1, that is 2x. So another one. We have 2n over 15m squared plus 3n over 21m. So to find the LCD, let us factor first the denominator so we can find the least common denominator. Okay, so the factors of 15m squared are 3m and 5m. And for 21m, we have 3m and 7. Just copy the numerators 2n and 3n. And then the LCD would be the least common denominator. So you have 3m, just copy. Then 5m times 5m, so just copy. Then for the other rational expression, we have 3m. But since it is common to 3m in the other rational expression, we're not going to write this anymore. So we just copy 7. So our LCD would be 3m times 5m times 7. So divide this LCD by each denominator. So we have 3m times 5m times 7 divided by 3m times 5m would be equal to 7. Then multiplied by 2n. So we have 7 times 2n. Then 3m times 5m times 7 divided by 3m times 7. So we can cancel 3m and 7. 3m and 7 canceled. So the answer would be 5m. Then multiplied by 3n, the numerator. So we have 5m times 3n. Okay? So we have 7 times 2n, that is 14n. 5m times 3n, that is 15mn. So we have 14n plus 15mn all over 3m times 5m times 7. In the numerator, 14n plus 15mn, we have the common monomial factor, which is n. So we're going to factor. So n is the common monomial factor. So the other factor would be this one. Since 4n divided by n is 14n divided by n is 14, then positive 15mn divided by n is 15m. Then just copy the LCD. Since we could not find any factor, common factor in the numerator and denominator, so this means this is our final answer. Another one. We have 6 over x squared minus 4 plus 2 over x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now, again, we are going to factor first to find the LCD. So, factors of the denominator x squared minus 4, since this is difference of 2 squares, so we have x plus 2 and x minus 2. Just copy the numerator 6 and the numerator 6 and the numerator 2 for the other rational expression. And then for x squared minus 5x plus 6, we have the factors x minus 2 and x minus 3. Why? For x squared, we have x times x. And then for positive 6, we have negative 2 and negative 3. Since negative 2 and negative 3, that is equal to 6 when we are going to multiply negative 2 times negative 3. And then when we are going to combine negative 2 and negative 3, we will get negative 5 as the coefficient in the middle term. So these are the correct factors. Now to find the LCD, just look for the least common factors of the denominators. So for the first denominator, we have x plus 2 times x minus 2. Just copy. And then for the second denominator, since we have written x minus 2, this is common to this one, x minus 2, we're not going to write this as the part of the LCD. So disregard this one, just copy x minus 3. So we have this one. So the LCD would be x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. So divide the LCD by this denominator, by each denominator in the rational expression. So we have x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 divided by the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. So we can cancel the common x plus 2 and x minus 2. We have x plus 2 and x minus 2. We can cancel. So the answer would be x minus 3. Then multiplied by the numerator 6. So we have 6 times the quantity of x minus 3. Then for the other rational expression, divide this LCD by this denominator. So we can cancel x minus 2 and x minus 3, x minus 2 and x minus 3. What remains is the answer x plus 2. Then multiplied by the numerator 2. So we have 2 times x plus 2. Then distributing 6 to the terms inside and 2 to the terms inside. So we have this one. 6 times x, that is 6x. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. And then for this one, we have positive 2 times x, that is 2x. And then positive 2 times 2, that is positive 4. Then combining like terms by addition, so we have 6x plus 2x, that is 8x. Negative 18 plus 4, that is negative 14. Since if we're going to add numbers with opposite signs, we are going to subtract them. So that's the rule. Okay. Now, copy the LCD. So we have this one. And then, we are going to factor 8x minus 14 since there is a common monomial factor. So, 8x minus 14, the common monomial factor is 2. Then the other factor would be this one since 8x divided by 2 is 4x and negative 14 divided by 2 is negative 7. But since we could not find any common factor in the numerator and denominator, it means this is the final answer. Another one. We have 2x squared over x squared minus 4 plus x over x minus 2. Okay, now the sum of this one will be subtracted by 1 over x plus 2. So we are going to find the sum of these two rational expressions first before we are going to subtract 1 over x plus 2 from the sum. Okay. So, in adding, of course, we're going to find the LCD first. Now, to find the LCD, we're going to factor, if it is factorable. Okay, we are going to factor the denominator. So, x squared minus 4 is a difference of 2 squares. So, the factors are x plus 2 and x minus 2. And then for x minus 2, this is prime. So, there is no other factor aside from 1 and itself. Okay, so, the LCD, so just copy to x squared and x, and the operation, of course, the plus sign or the addition operation. And then the LCD would be x plus 2 times x minus 2. We're not going to copy this one as the part of the LCD since it is common to this binomial x minus 2. So the LCD is x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, for these rational expressions. Now, this LCD divided by this one, that is equal to 1, multiplied by this 2x squared, so that's 2x squared. Then, x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, the answer is x plus 2, since we can cancel x minus 2 and x minus 2. So, x plus 2 multiplied by the numerator x, so we have this one, x times x plus 2. Okay, now just copy our subtrahend, 1 over x plus 2. So, just copy. Then, we are going to distribute this to the terms inside. Then, just copy the rest. So, we have 2x squared, copy. Then, plus x times x, that is x squared. X times 2, that is 2x. Then, copy the denominator. Then, copy this one. Minus 1 over x plus 2. Okay. Now, combining 2x squared plus x squared, that is 3x squared. Copy positive 2x. And then copy the denominator. Then copy minus 1 over x plus 2. Alright. So, this is now the time that we can, since this is already the sum of the two rational expressions here inside the bracket. So, this is already the sum, but okay, even if we are going to factor out the common factor, still we could not cancel common factor because there is no common factor. Okay, so we can subtract 1 over x plus 2 from here. But then since they have different denominators, so we are going to get the LCD. Okay, so the LCD would be x plus 2 times x minus 2. Okay, so I did not write another x plus 2 here because it is, this x plus 2 is common to x plus 2. So the least common will be written here. So common is x plus 2. So we're not going to write again x plus 2 as the part of LCD. So this is our LCD. Divide by this one. So that's equal to 1. Multiplied by the numerator, 3x squared plus 2x. So that is 3x squared plus 2x. And then this LCD, x plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. That is x minus 2 multiplied by 1. So we have this one. Okay, now distributing negative 1 to the terms inside. So we have this one. Just copy 3x squared plus 2x. This one. And then negative 1 times x. That is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 2. That is positive 2. So all over the LCD. Okay. Then equals, combining like terms, we have 2x and negative x. That becomes x. So just copy 3x squared. 3x squared. Positive 2 and positive 2. So, just combine 2x and x. Ito yun. This is x. All over x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now, can we still factor? 3x squared plus x plus 2? Okay, no. Could not find factors. And this is already prime. Okay.